Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about how to use social media to help your business grow. How to stand out, which dimensions, which social media platform can we use, what about a profile picture. So, let's start. Which program can we use? Is it worth my time? Can I do it myself? So, let's start with the most common social media platforms there are. But before we go any further, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be updated when there are new videos. So let's jump to our screen and let's take a look. The first social media platform we're gonna take a look at is Facebook. Your Facebook header is the first thing people see when they are visiting your Facebook page or profile. Also, your profile picture. So your Facebook header must reflect what you are doing. So, as you can see, it's in Dutch and it's for a free ebook. How people can start to take her offline business online. You can see here I have a call to action. Make sure your profile picture is standing out. And the reason is, if you are posting in groups, people will see your picture most likely before they see picture without a flashy background or without flashy colors. The next thing that's important is your intro. Put links to your intro and don't forget to use your featured media, because if you go to Facebook, that are the first things that you're seeing is your banner, your profile picture, your intro. Just below your intro you have your media, your featured media. The second social media platform we're gonna take a look at is Twitter. The same rules apply to Twitter, to the header and to your profile picture, or the same rules as on Facebook. But please don't forget to fill in your info and to put a link in your info. Link to your landing page, website, YouTube channel, whatever you want. Put the link into your info. The third social media platform we are going to take a look at is Pinterest. The thing with Pinterest is, if you use only the regular Pinterest, you only need the profile picture to stand out. It's a very damn old picture. But if you use your business hub, then you have your picture, your profile picture. You have your profile picture, and you have your header. The nice thing is, you can either put a picture in your header or a small video. But the most important thing about Pinterest is Pinterest is all about the pictures or videos you're posting. And if you post something, a video or a picture, always give a description and always make sure there is a link to whatever your site or whatever page you want people to go. It's something that's very important. So for me personally, these 3 social media platforms are worth my time. I don't know about you, but I think they are worth my time. And last but not least, we're gonna take a look at YouTube. Okay, you can ask me the question, what about YouTube? In my opinion, YouTube is not a social media platform. YouTube, for me, and I use YouTube as a search engine. So let's take a look at YouTube. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bells to get notifications if there are any new videos. So the same here in YouTube. What's important is your header. If people see your header, make sure they know what it's all about. What's your channel about? So, my channel is about Take Your Business Online. New video every Wednesday. Also make sure the most important links for you to put them in your banner. It's very easy if you are making a YouTube channel. They're gonna ask you the questions if you want to put some links. You just have to fill them in and automatically they disappear here. You can see them here. What's also is important is your description. Just fill in your description. Make sure your description fits your channel. If your channel is, for example, about dogs, don't put something about crocodiles or fishes or cats in your description. So, and keep in mind, social media is a very, very powerful tool, but you have to spend a lot of time and you have to interact with people. You have to connect with them. You have to answer questions. If people answer something, you have to react. If they ask something, you have to reply. Because the more you're active on your social media platform, the more people are going to see what you're doing. Okay? In the beginning of the video I was talking about the dimensions. If you want to know the exact dimensions, you can Google it. But most of the times when you're going to upload a picture or a banner, the platform is going to give you the right dimensions. Your picture has to be that big or that big. I'm gonna put a link in the description for a free program tool that helps you to make your banners or picture posts. So don't be afraid, it's free. It's gonna be below in the description. I'm gonna title it here. You can find the link to a free tool to make banners and photo posts. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified if there are new videos. Have a nice day.